Hello everyone, in this tutorial I'm going to show you how you can completely uninstall Python from your Windows laptop or PC. So first of all, let's go and uninstall Python. So for it, we'll go to our Windows search option, and in the search option we're going to search over here setting. Then we need to click on setting, then we'll click here apps, then we'll go to the install apps. So in the install apps, we're going to search for Python. So here you can see once you search for Python, it will show you two things. So you need to uninstall both of them. So first of all, we are going to uninstall the first one, Python 3.14.3, the version. So here on the right side, you will see three dot. Then you need to click on uninstall. Then click here uninstall again, and here you can see Python started uninstalling. And this will take a few seconds to uninstall, and there you can see it's done. So after that, we need to uninstall Python launcher. So again, we'll do the same, and there you can see it's gone. So right now we can just close this, and there is still some leftover files. So we are going to go to our file explorer, then we'll go to our local disk C. So in local disk C, we'll go to the users folder, and here you can see we have one more user folder. So we need to go inside, and here we need to go down and we need to find app data folder. So if you do not see the app data folder, then what you need to do is that you need to click on view, then click on show, and you need to check this hidden items option over here, and it will show you this app data folder. So let's go inside app data, and inside app data we'll go to the local folder. Let's go inside local, and here we need to look for a folder, and that folder name is programs. Here you can see programs. Let's go inside, and here you can see we have a folder called Python. So we need to delete this folder. Let's just delete this, and let's go back again. Now let's go back to the app data folder, and here this time we'll go to the roaming folder. Here you can see roaming. Let's go inside, and again we'll go down, and here you can see we have a folder called Python. So we need to delete this folder. So let's delete this, and it will take a few seconds to delete. So yeah, if you follow those steps, then you will be able to completely remove Python from your system. So I hope this tutorial was useful. Make sure to subscribe, and I hope to see you in the future tutorials.